Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. Well, I did a lot of running around today. I had to go to the post office and mail a package. I had to go to the pharmacy and pick up a prescription. And then, for all of you, I got to Aldis and I filmed their Wednesdays ALDI Finds. Well, it looks like Aldis is getting ready for spring. So continue watching and I'll show you what they got in today. Well, it's Wednesday, Aldi Finds Day, and I've just arrived. And oh, it looks like they have some nice things here in the beginning of the aisle. These are reversible porch signs, and they are $9.99. They're very nice. They all look hand-painted and there's different designs. Here's propagation vases. And here's a picture of them on the box. Those are nice. And those are $9.99 each. Pretty soon the snow will be melted and spring is here. They have seedling paper pots by Garden Line, and there is 30 pots in the pack for $3.99. These are plant trellises, and you get a set of 3, and they are $3.99 for the set. It looks like they have different shapes, and there's black and there's like a brushed gold. These are pretty. You have your choice of the sun catcher stake or the hanging sun catchers, and they are $4.99. They're pretty colors and they have the different types on the box. These are seed starting pellets by Garden Line, and they're $4.99 for the box, and it looks like it says you get 96 count in the box. Here you go for indoor irrigation. There's watering globes, and they are handmade glass, set of 3, or they have plant misters. Here are patio swing chairs. Obviously I can't take them out, but they're $49.99, and it looks like there's black and a tan color. These are interesting. This is Curtain House 3-tier hanging baskets, and they are $9.99, and you can see the pictures on the box here. They have like it's almost like a denim blue color and white, and then they have a khaki color sort of, or a tan and white, and you can see the picture here that they are hanging baskets. And it says over the door hook holds up to 4.5 pounds per basket, and adhesive hook holds up to 3/4 pound per basket, and it looks like they have these hanging over a door. So those are $9.99. These are ladies' casual sneakers, and I'm looking at the box. There's a lot of, it looks like there's size 7 maybe through 10. This is like a cream with a kind of a zebra on it. And they have a tan one down there. And I'm not going to open up all the boxes, but they are $14.99 a pair. For $7.99 you have your choice of either character travel blanket or neck pillows. And they have Bluey, Spider-Man, and a couple of others, Stitch. And you can see, here's the blankets up here, and there is the neck pillows. These are 30 ounce carry handle stainless steel bottles. Looks like they have a light blue and a pink, and they are $7.99 each. There's a lot here from last week. This is microwave. You have your choice of either the waffle maker or the grilled cheese maker. And they're for the microwave, and they are $14.99 each. Here's a variety of mini spring gnomes, and they are $4.99 each. These are pretty. They are floral glass candles, and there's different types of flowers on them, and they are $5.99 each. And next to them are 3-wick candles by Curtin House, and you can see there's different designs on those, and they are $4.99 each. It says summer weekend getaway afternoon walk in the park. The spring wreaths are still here with all the flowers on them, and they are $19.99 each. Up here is an emergency fire blanket. Easy to store, easy to find, and reusable. Stops fire fast, and that is $16.99. Here's your choice of sink scrubbers. You can see on the box the different kinds they have, and they are $2.49. They have the Dish Daddies soap dispensing dish wand, and they are $6.99 each.